Riding high, the ups of English idioms. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of English idioms to explore the phrase, riding high. Whether you're learning English as a new language or just brushing up on idiomatic expressions, understanding these phrases can add flair to your conversations. Let's ride the wave of learning together. Riding high is an idiom that refers to being successful or in a very favorable position. It often implies a sense of confidence or elation that comes from success. Think of it as riding on the crest of a wave, where everything is going smoothly and you're feeling on top of the world. The phrase, riding high, likely has its roots in nautical terminology, where a ship that is riding high is not heavily laden and therefore sits higher in the water. This was seen as a positive situation. Over time, the phrase evolved to symbolize someone who is experiencing success or prosperity in their life. To get a better grip on the idiom, let's look at some examples. After winning the championship, the team was riding high. She's been riding high ever since she got that promotion at work. It's important not to confuse riding high with literally riding something high up. The idiom is not about physical height but about metaphorical elevation due to success. Sometimes, riding high can be used in a more literal sense in sports like horse riding or surfing, where the rider is performing exceptionally well. However, even in these cases, it carries an undertone of success and skill. That's our look at riding high. Remember, idioms can be the spice of the language, giving color and cultural depth to your conversations. We hope this video has helped you understand and use riding high with confidence. Keep practicing, and you'll be riding high in your English language journey in no time.